Do you hear those turbos?
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Did your best friend take your dirt bike and whiskey throttle it down in the Hatfield McCoy trails and bend your handlebar clamps? Well, today I'm going to show you how to change the handlebar clamps on your dirt bike. Should work for all dirt bikes. Specifically, this is a 2016 Yz450. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so for this job, you're going to need a 14mm socket, a 10mm socket, ratchet, and a smaller extension. Okay, so first, guys, you're going to want to take off this cover. You'll have a cover on your handlebars. Just take that off. These on my bike are 10mm. I'm just going to use an impact so it makes it quick. Alright, put that to the side. Then you can lower these handlebars clamps. Well, just lower these bars because we got to get these clamps out. Okay, next, guys, you guys are going to want to get to these bolts underneath here. This is a 14mm on a Yz450f. You're going to want to remember which holes, if you have a double mount, that it goes into, because if you put these in the other holes, you're not going to be used to where your bar position is. So just get in there. Try to fish in there somehow, best you can. And just loosen it up. Oh, I'm going to have to grab a wrench. Hopefully this will work where I can hold it. If not, I'll just have to put it up on the bars again. Shouldn't be too tight. There we go. Tighter than I thought it would be. Alright, that's one. Let's go on to the other one. Alright, guys, I'm just going to take the number plate off instead of fishing through here. Just one bolt on top, 8mm, zip ties on the bottom. Good enough, I can get in there. It's easier if you use a swivel, guys, in here. You can't really get in there good, and I could tell by the angle I would have stripped it, so I had to put the bar mount back on here, just on this one side so I can hold it. Just some advice. Just pull them out. That's it. You'll probably need the rubber things on here. There's rubber because they're rubber mounted ones. Your new ones most likely won't have them. Mine don't. Yeah, I didn't realize, guys, there's another rubber mount on the bottom, so make sure you don't lose those. There's ones on top and the bottom. I didn't know that. Okay, just drop your new ones in. Just get those in. I'm going to put just these mounts on here. Loosely, just so I can hold it better. I'm not working on centering them right now or nothing. Alright, now that that's all set, put your number plate back on. This impact's not that powerful, guys. I got it all the way down. Alright guys, once you got it on there, you can loosen this up a little bit and adjust them where you like them. You don't want to crank on these guys. These clamps are mostly all aluminum. These ones are aluminum, so this impact, like I said, is not that strong. Alright, right about there seems good. Alright, just put your cover back over. Fish this through. This is always a pain to put through there, but alright, all good. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful to you. Quick, easy job to do, not hard, just a couple tools. Really anyone can do it. In case your buddy takes your bike and whiskey throttles it. It could happen to anyone. He did pay for the parts, so not a big deal. Next I'm going to replace this throttle tube because this broke too, and the grips. So look at my channel if you're interested in seeing that. Thanks guys. Have a good day. God bless.